Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, our topic is real estate. And in real estate today, we are going to answer a question on what makes a good location for any kind of Airbnb kind of a business. This is because the property location is very paramount in attracting guests. So, number one, looking for areas with high tourist traffic. That is, in this case, when we are looking for a kind of Airbnb kind of a business, you should set it in a location whereby, for example, if you are looking for those kind of diaspora and kind of a clans, in places where they would love to reside. That is, don't go putting or setting up any Airbnb kind of a business in places where you know they have issues with insecurity, or where else whereby any kind of a guest arriving maybe from, for example, from diaspora cannot reside in such a kind of a place. So, as you set any Airbnb kind of a business, you should be able to set it in a place where you expect most of the guests, for example, if you are looking for diaspora kind of a clans, they love residing, so that at least you are able to attract those kind of guests in your kind of Airbnb kind of a business. Number two, proximity to attraction. That is, when you talk of proximity to attraction, talk of restaurant, shopping malls, we talk of schools. Don't put your kind of Airbnb kind of a house whereby when any kind of guest that comes in, they are not able to see, or they're not attracted by anything which surrounds your kind of Airbnb kind of a business, or rather the kind of an apartment maybe they will be letting out, they will be renting it out. So it is the responsibility of any kind of a property owner to set, or rather to set his Airbnb kind of a business in a place where it has some kind of attraction. For example, basing my example on a diaspora kind of a client or guest rather, remember they have traveled so many miles to come and occupy your house. You have to ask yourself this question. When they are in that particular kind of your house, what can they see? Or are they able, when they want to get out and refreshing, go somewhere, maybe to do some shopping, maybe in shopping malls, maybe to go and watch maybe some movies outside, or to go and maybe sunbathe outside, maybe it's beaches and those sort of kinds of things. So, in other words, don't set your kind of Airbnb kind of a house where there is no any kind of attraction to any kind of a guest. Because if you do that, they'll have a short stay and they would rather look for a place which has close or proximity rather to attraction. Number three, accessibility. When we talk of accessibility, we talk of transport. When this guest of yours has come, for example, are they able to access the kind of areas they have to go in terms of transport? Wherever your kind of Airbnb kind of business is situated, are there means of transport? If, for example, they want to get a cab, or rather a taxi to go somewhere, are they allowed to come there and pick the guests? Or is it a kind of a place where there's a restriction? Because some places you find we have restriction that no entry to any kind of taxis or rather cabs. So you should be in a position to set kind of your Airbnb kind of a business, or rather house in a place where it is accessible. Again, when we talk of accessibility, also we talk of what kind of spacing is it there in your kind of Airbnb kind of a house, or rather an apartment. I think so much squeezed. If it's tables, are they so squeezed that even a client or a guest cannot even push a table when they need a little space? Or is it difficulty when the guest is inside your house, they are unable to access the cutleries depending on where your cabinets have been placed? Are they able to reach the utensils? Or rather, are they able to pick what they want with ease? So, in terms of accessibility, you should be able, or when you are setting a kind of Airbnb kind of a house, you should be able to check on accessibility on how the client can access his or basic needs, or rather any kind of accessibility with ease. And when we consider this in kind of setting, of course, you'll always have that kind of a guest you are looking for. And you saw that for today. Till next time, bye-bye.